oldest silver I've ever found. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, I'm at one of the oldest curb strips in Longview, Washington, across from the park. I've been here before at the park, and I never had the guts to come over here and actually do the curb strip, and I knew there was stuff good. If you look down here, I actually dug down a heck of a lot deeper. I'm just trying to keep this clean for all the nice neighbors that are here. Anyway, I dug well over, and I'm talking down deeper, and this is just full of roots. I dug down deeper, pulled this out, thought it might have been tin, saw some fancy on it, took it over here to this side right here, and I'll get you some better close-ups of it. Yeah, that's sterling. I think it's either a belt clip or I don't know what that is. I think it's an old school belt clip, but yeah. Sterling silver, baby. We're on the board with Skilva. Bam! About 27 before I started digging, and this is Silva. Hard to see it. Look at that edge. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Beautiful Rosie. My old eyes can't see the date on that, but I should have a spray bottle. I don't know how old that is, but look at that. It's got pretty good detail. Even with my bad eyes, I can see something in the wings. I'll clean that up. Definitely show you in the wrap up. Sweet Rosie. We are here behind the famous Monticello Hotel. Still doing some curb street action. Just right down here along these curb streets. Oldest part of Longview. Well, I shouldn't be telling everybody that until I'm done hunting, but it'd take forever. Come on down, hunt Longview, because you could get a Rosie. Not bad. I'm happy with that. Second piece of silver already. Pretty much solid 27, 28. About, well, I flipped the plug over, about less than 3 inches down. Not for sure. That looks, oh, look at that edge. Yeah, that looks, yeah, yeah. I can't. I'm gonna call it silver. I'm gonna have to clean it up, but yeah, that. Let me clean it off here. Look at that. You see that? That's definitely silver. Heck yeah. Awesome. It is just a silver day. Again, I'm in some curb street strips, and I don't even want to say where I'm at right now because I'm coming back here. I'm definitely coming back here tomorrow. That's nice. That's the third piece of silver today. Well, I have no idea what this is. About 6 inches down, ring up at about 17, 18. Thinking possibly a piece of jewelry. And if you look at it, it almost looks like a pencil at one end. but it's got like a plastic or like Bakelite or something like that. And we are in the oldest part of the town. Anyway, if you have any idea what this is, please comment down below. I not a clue. It's kind of cool though. I don't know if it's picking this up. The tip, the other end, and it comes to almost like a pencil. No idea what that is. But cool. You know what it is? Please let me know. At first I was getting exactly what I thought was a quarter, possibly a silver for where I'm at. And this, I know it's getting dark and hard to see. There's the impression. And this is the coin, and I have no idea what it is, although it looks like a $50. But obviously from the color and the aging, I have no idea. I have no idea what that is. Feels like heavy clad. I'm gonna guess a $50. I have no idea. It's too dark outside here. I'll clean it up, show it to you in the wrap up. I have no idea what this is, but it feels like a, I don't know. I have no idea. It ain't a token, and it's got a reeded edge, so I'm gonna say it's a $50. Maybe a Kennedy. I have no idea. See that? 29 to 32. And we're talking, I don't know if you can see the edge. That's definitely silver. We're talking, probably about 8 inches down. Go ahead and pop this. Oh man, I shouldn't rub that. Oh my God. That's a walker. Is it a walker? What is that? This is just a quarter. Oh my God, no! Look at that! Look at that. Or standing, I guess that's what you call it. That is my first. That is my first! Hell yeah! Look at that. Oh, it's pretty good condition, I'd say, too. See if I can pull a year off that. I'm seeing 1930. 1930. All day long. Outrageous. Are you excited? Comment down below, because I'm excited. I mean, to me, this is cool as finer than, well, I'm not gonna say as cool as a gold ring, but man, this is definitely the oldest silver I think I've ever found. This is the oldest silver I've ever found. Awesome. Awesome. Okay, that was actually ringing up at 25. Now I'm either going to be the biggest laughing stock in America, well, in the world. I think that might be an Indian. Oh, it's hard to do with one hand, you know that. Rub it on my pants here. It was actually ringing up more like a dime. Oh, I am a fool. See, that's a memorial. I'm a fool. Well, I got a coin ball here. I'm not sure. I'll show you on the numbers on the 800. pretty sure it's definitely going to be a dime. Let's see what we got here. Change hands. Yeah, it's just an orange dime. It's not silver. Silver's coming out here just beautiful, shiny. Oh well. Okay, it's getting dark, and this still should show. It's not totally dark. It's about 4:30, 5 o'clock. See that? You see that edge? You know exactly what that is. And look, you are a good. You're almost all the way down to the digger. Let's pop this. It's in there. Man, I dropped it. Oh yeah, baby. That's definitely silver. That is... That's a Rosie. I will take that any day of the week. All day long. What do we got here? Is that a no mark? That's a no mark. My bad eyes tell me. I think that's a 64 too. That's a 64. I'll show you in the wrap up. I know the other one's a Denver. Was it Denver or San Francisco? I think it was a Denver. That's two 64s, but I'll put them side by side because yeah, that's two Rosies. Awesome. Okay, take a look. Let me give you the numbers first. I'm at my new permission. Well, I got it Wednesday, but it's Sunday, or excuse me, it's Monday right now. Take a look at this. Now, I don't know if that is like, I don't know. Is it reproduction? Because there's no reason a skeleton key should be up here. Look at that. I'm thinking it might be like a charm, or, well, it's too big. Ooh, it's got some detail on it too. You see that? That's kind of sweet. Yeah. Look at that. That's actually the first cool thing that I found up here on this new permission. Everything else has been like car pieces. Well, I'm not going to talk about everything that I found up here besides change, typical clad. But for this early evening on Monday, that is a key. What does Merle say? Cheesecake has been unlocked. But no, that's pretty cool. Doesn't feel to weigh that much. But nonetheless, though, that's pretty doggone cool. I'm just wondering if that came off a... I have no idea what that came off. I'll clean it up and I'll show it to you in the wrap up. Okay, cool. Guys, last start of the night. It's getting dark. Although I do have my headlamp, I just want to show you. $31.32. Turn it around. Wow, I'm not getting nothing. Oh, there it is. This could be a piece of junk. I'm getting 34 this way. Nah, I'm still digging it. Yeah, it's kind of dark. If you can see it. Close to the surface, that looks like a clad quarter to me. Go ahead and pop it. It's all orange and crap. Definitely clad. Well, I don't know. I've never seen an orange silver quarter. That's clad, but I'm going to call that a night. I've got enough for a pretty good video. So much silver. Yeah, I'm digging it. See you guys at the wrap up. Okay, folks, a very quick wrap up. I am cold. I am wet. I am wet and cold. Anyway, let's get to this. Quick wrap up. Inadequate lighting here in my room, but you saw 1930, 1945, and two 64s. One is a Denver One is a filly, unmarked. This, man, I dug for this. Oh no, where is it on the side? I can't even see with my eyes right now. Freaking cold. Is it on there? No, it's right there. I don't know if that's showing up. It's actually sterling. Nice little heavy piece. Belt buckle, I'm figuring. No, I didn't gouge it and do that. That's old. I did scratch it though when I dug it up. If you saw the other line. Okay, gold-plated key. Kind of cool. It has a castle and a lion, I guess, a crest of some kind. It's actually kind of cool. I mean, it's only bling, 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 but that's it. Otherwise, what do we have here? We have, what is it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17 quarters. 15, 7, that's weird, 17 nickels, and 5, 10, 15, 19, and I did find this $50. I didn't know what that was, but yeah, it's a $50. It's in 1974. Couple rocks. People still doing that in your town? This is Lewis County rocks. Found those at the lake. Whoever our Rocco's is, still pretty cool. They're both dated 8/20. Pretty cool. Anyway, that's my wrap up. You can't do better than that in silver. Well, I mean, of course you can do better than that in silver, but that is my best silver day. And clad wise, very, very good. Over here, well, that's, see, I normally, you'll never see me digging pennies. I don't know, that's got to be, I'm going to say at least 250 to 300 pennies that I dug. That is more of my clad for into December, into January, which brought my total to $31.40 in chump change in clad. Anyway, that is that. This is the wrap up. I had one hell of a good hunt this weekend. It's great. Come on. You can't deny it. Pretty cool. I bet the camera's probably not picking that up either. This actually has some really, really, really nice lines. Like I said, I always wondered about someone who could have bought a $1 belt buckle. Oh no, where's that other piece? I've got to add another piece. Where is it? My mystery item. Where did I put